Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome Harvest Snaps baked red lentil snacks in the tomato basil flavor. I love this flavor. The flavor is very almost like creamy, even though there's no like cream in it. And tomatoey, but it tastes like you're eating like tomato basil pasta. I love how crunchy and crisp these are. Love these snacks. They are gluten-free, which is great. They are certified non-GMO, baked and not fried, which is also really nice. They don't have added flavors or preservatives, and it's, as it mentions, veggies are the #1 ingredient. So my son loves these. I love these. I think they're so super tasty, and just a nice little crunchy snack to snack on if you need it. So I definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.